And now once again we are gonna take a look here at this Manker ML03, and this is the old one and this is the new one. So obviously the belt clip has changed. I do prefer the new design, but eventually I would say it doesn't really make such a huge difference. Both somehow do feel about the same when you carry them on the belt. And the other change that they have made is there is an additional white indicator LED here on the tail, but this is on the old one. The new version doesn't have that indicator LED anymore, but there is another one, or basically the regular one, which is just red and green, and it still shows you the battery status when you charge or discharge the flashlight. So it doesn't really make a huge difference. Yeah, so both lights still have the same user interface, the same rating, basically 2000 lumens, so nothing changed. And to the scope of delivery, what you also get is this charging cable, USB-C to A, and it allows you to recharge the flashlight, but also to use the light as a power bank, because that USB-C port on the tail is basically an in and also an output, so it allows you to discharge the flashlight or basically charge your phone, for example, with this light here. And also what we got here is a lanyard that's also included. Now the beam color, there are two different possibilities: neutral and cold white. And we got the new version here with cold white, and the old one is in neutral white, and you should see the difference right now. I'm gonna reduce the brightness a bit on the camera, so yeah, now it is truly visible on the camera as well. Cold white on the right and neutral white on the left side. And the user interface, it's quite simple. One press to switch on and off the light, press and hold the switch to go through the levels, double click for turbo. When the light is off, press and hold the switch to go to moonlight mode, and you can change the brightness in moonlight mode by just pressing the switch. When the moonlight mode is on, press and hold it to go through those different moonlight levels. I do like that feature. It can be an advantage sometimes. If you really want to have a very low moonlight mode, then you can really turn it back to an extremely low setting. So this is about it. Additionally, what you also get is a strobe. With a triple click you go to strobe. So the user interface, as I said, is the same here also on the old one, which is now in the neutral white beam color. Or I mean, it always is. You can change the color here, but you are able to, of course, choose which version you prefer. They do have CV or cold white and the neutral white for both versions, the old one and the new updated one. But I would say it's basically the same flashlight. It doesn't really change a lot. And for the beam color, I would say if you use the light for work, you probably want to go for the cold white. Otherwise, for those late hours when you are probably camping somewhere, then I would say the neutral white is probably the better choice. It's just somehow more calming. It's just it doesn't feel so exhausting on your eyes, and it allows you to fall asleep better, in my opinion, when you have a warm white beam color. So this is about it. And concerning the lumen levels, quick look here: moonlight, low, middle, high, turbo, and strobe. Moonlight, of course, you can change that brightness. Low with 160 lumens, then 360, 800, and turbo with 2000 lumens. Of course, in turbo there's gonna be a step down. The light will shift down as soon as a certain temperature is reached. Then also a strobe with 2000 lumens, 160 meters beam distance. Now, thank you for watching. You can also, of course, check out the online store, muelleroutdoor.ch. The link is also in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. I'm now looking forward to your message, your comment, and of course also to your order. There will soon be a translation to English. Right now, mostly the store is in German. See you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.